Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute koala face. It's very easy, so grab a marker and let's start. First, we draw the eyes. Use a circle template and draw a small circle on the left side of the paper. Now draw the second eye. Make the same small circle on the right side. Inside the left eye, draw a small star-shaped highlight. Do the same inside the right eye. Both eyes should look the same. Now fill the eyes with black, but leave the star highlights white. Next, let's draw the nose. In the middle, draw a rounded oval shape. Draw a small white shine inside. Color the nose black, but leave the small white shine white. Now we draw the top of the head. Draw a big curved line above the eyes and nose. Now we draw the bottom of the face. Start from the right side and draw a long, smooth, curved line. Continue the line to the left side. This creates the rounded chin and face shape. Next, let's draw the left ear. From the top of the head, draw a fluffy, wavy shape going outward and down. Now draw the right ear. Make the same fluffy, wavy shape on the other side. Try to make both ears look similar. They don't have to be perfect, just nice and round. And that's it, our koala face is ready. Give a like if you enjoyed it. Now you can color it if you want. Thanks for drawing with me and see you in the next video. Bye.